Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into the Google account that holds the history you want. This ensures results match your activity. Once signed in, open YouTube and click the left menu, then choose History. From there, pick Watch History or Search History, depending on whether you remember a video or just a query. Make sure to use the account switcher if you have multiple accounts. This first step prevents wasted time and missing results. Now narrow results with the History search box. Type keywords, channel names, or specific phrases. Once done, apply built-in filters such as date range or history type to remove noise and focus on the right period. If you need exact matches, put phrases in quotes to cut irrelevant hits. Also consider scrolling to load more entries before searching so YouTube indexes them locally. This helps when older items aren't immediately visible in the default view. Finish by opening candidate items to confirm the right video or query. Once verified, use the three-dot menu to remove unwanted entries or save for later. If you don't see expected history, make sure you're in the correct account and that history isn't paused or disabled in settings. Device sync delays can also hide recent actions. Finally, cross-check the Google My Activity or YouTube Activity page if results still look wrong, and then resume normal tracking if you had paused.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.